Coco. Van vlog, 27th of December 2020. Just arrived in Harrachov, which is one of the biggest mountains in the Czech Republic, with Coco. Coco! Coco! Here he is. It's parking, it's bloody freezing. No? But we've got snow, okay, on the mountain. Yeah? Stunning. So here we have Mumlava Falls, Czech Republic. This morning I thought I'd get on the GPS and look for locations around me of interest, and on Google Maps, and it came up with an ice cave. So I said to Coco, come on then Coco, we're going to go and look at an ice cave. Well, I've arrived at the ice cave, and it's really interesting to the fact that, hang on, can you see me because I'm steaming up slightly, there you go. Interesting to the fact that it's bloody dangerous. No safety here at all, absolutely none. There's a sign over here that's only in Czech that says there's bats. There you go, there's bats in the cave. Okay, so myself and Boyo here, Coco, we came up here and I'm thinking, where's the ice? I can see a few icicles, but that's it. And then you come up some steps, these steps here, and there's a metal gate, no safety signs, nothing, and there's an opening, and attached to that opening there's a climbing rope that's obviously been there for years, and the gate's open. So basically what you do is you get hold of that rope and you go down about, well, it must be what, 30-40 meters into the cave, down into there. Now I can see a child's sledge down there, I can see the end of the rope, but yeah, unbelievable as to the fact that there's no safety here whatsoever. Yeah. Obviously I won't be going down there. I mean, for me to go down there I'd want a harness and a belay to get down there. I'm not going to go down there on my own, it's bloody dangerous. There's nobody else up here at the moment, so it's not going to happen. But hey, at the end of the day, me and Coco had a good little walk, and that was it. As you can see, it's a beautiful snowy place. Yeah, not far from where I live actually. Yeah. So there you have it. Van life, searching for the winter, found it, not be going down any caves today. But saying that, the future, I might come up here with my mate Karel with some climbing harnesses and go down there. We'll see. Okay, take it easy. Speak to you in a bit. Bye.